Hello, dear students. How are you? Are you happy? Yeah, I think so. Before starting class, let me ask a question. Do you like maths? Or while hearing the word mathematics, what's your expression? Yeah, mathematics is very interesting subject. And also it is a very easy subject. Okay, dear children, if you try to understand each problem very well, it will be very easy. So, dear students, try to understand each problem. Okay. In the last class, we have studied how to solve linear equations with variable on one side. That is, okay, for example, 2x plus 3 equal to 5. Okay, here variable only one side. That is 2x. X is the variable. And yes, you can see a variable on one side. Or 4x plus 8 equal to 18. This type equations, how to solve, we have already studied. But today we are going to study how to solve linear equations with variable on both sides. Both sides means both sides of the equal to symbol. Yeah. Yes. Here. A question. Solve 3x plus 2 equal to 4x minus 1. 3x plus 2 equal to 4x minus 1. That is, you can see in x, that is with the 3x, there is an x, and you can see one more x in RHS, that is 4x. In 4x, 1x. That means you can tell this is an equation with variable on both sides. Okay, dear children, to solve this type of problem, first you need to get the variables on one side of the equation. We have to move or we have to transpose variable on one side, either LHS or RHS. It does not matter which variable you move. You move means transpose. Okay. Then try to move the one that will keep your variable positive. That is an easy trick, dear children. Yeah, if the variable is positive, you can do the problem in very easy way. That as you like, dear children. Now we can try how to do this type of problem. The same problem we can try. 3x plus 2 equal to 4x minus 1. Okay, our question 3x plus 2 equal to 4x minus 1. First of all, you have to identify variables. That means here x. You can see another variable x. Then we can write 3x plus 2 equal to 4x minus 1. Now you can see that there are 2x. 1x on LHS, 1x on RHS. Then first you have to transpose variable on one side. That means here this is LHS, then this side RHS. Yeah, yes, like you can transpose variable on any side. Then here, if I write 3x already in LHS, yeah, 3x, okay. Then already I told so, variable on one side, variable only in one side, then number all in other side. Then, yeah, 3x already in LHS. Then, but you can see a 2. If variable is in LHS, all the numbers should be in RHS. So, yeah, we have to transpose this 2 to RHS. Now 2 means while transposing we've already studied its symbol will change. Now it is plus 2. Then while transposing it will be minus 2. Plus will change to minus. Then 3 from LHS we transposed 2 to RHS. So it became minus 2. Then LHS all the terms we considered. 3x already here 2. Then we transposed. Then we can move to RHS. RHS means 4x minus 1. In 4x minus 1, which is the variable x, so you have to transpose that 4x to LHS, because first of all we are considering a variable on LHS. Now here 4x. 4x means it is positive 4x, no negative symbol. So from RHS, while transposing 4x to the LHS, it will become minus 4x. 3x minus 4x. Now one more term, minus 1. Minus 1, already in RHS, yeah, we know that in this problem we are considering all numbers in RHS itself, not transposing same place, so same symbol. Now we can write 3x minus 4x equal to minus 1 minus 2. What is 3x minus 4x? 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 1x equal to, what is minus 1 minus 2? Minus 3. So minus 1x is same as minus x. Minus x equal to minus 3. Now what is x? Negative, both are negative. So x equal to 3. Okay, dear children, we got answer x equal to 3. Nothing more, dear children. Transpose all, yes. First of all, variable part in one, variable term in one side, numbers in another side. That's the only way. After the, while transposing, you have to remember it's a sign. If it is positive, while transposing, it will be negative. If it is negative, while transposing, it will be positive. That only to remember. Then, if variable in one side means we've already studied. That means actually what we are doing, we are converting the problem as variable on one side. Variable on one side we've already studied in the beginning of this chapter. Then you can do yourself. Okay, dear children, we can move to another question. Yes. Solve 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. Solve 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. Yeah, here also you have to identify what 2. Then x we can write, yes, equal to 2. 2x minus 3 equal to, x plus, a plus is the x plus 2. Now need to write like this. That means, dear children, you are the beginners. That is why to identify where x on both sides. 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. Yeah, what the first step? Transposing variable term. That means the term containing variable on one side. Here 2x, a variable. In this x also another variable. Yeah, first. Yeah, what we are thinking, considering a variable term on LHS. Numbers on RHS. Then in 2x minus 3, which is the variable term? 2x on LHS itself. No change. That's why already in LHS we are again writing that in LHS. So no need to change the sign. Okay, 2x. Then here next minus 3. No variable. So we have to transpose that to RHS. So minus 3, while transposing it will be plus 3. Minus 3 is plus 3. Yeah. Then we consider both terms of LHS. Now we move to RHS. In RHS, first term is EX. It is a variable. So we have to transpose that EX to LHS. While transposing X means plus X. While transposing to LHS, it will be minus X. Okay. Then what the next term? The remaining 2. 2 plus 2. That already in RHS we are not transposing because we've already started the problem with numbers on RHS. So no change, no need to change the symbol. What is 2x minus x? X equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Then we got the answer x equal to 5. Okay. I think all of you understood this problem. Yeah, then one more problem we can do. That is questions, yeah, given in exercise. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1. Okay, we can consider so. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1. Okay, dear children. 3 into x minus 1. In this question, you can see a bracket. Bracket means, yeah, you already know that if a number is outside of the bracket, you have to multiply that number with all the numbers inside of the bracket. First, we can open the bracket. So, 8x plus 4 equal to, how will you open? 3 into x, 3x, then this minus a minus symbol and 3 into 1. What is 3 into 1? 3. We can rewrite 3 into x minus 1 as 3x minus 3. Okay. Then now we can tell our equation also having variables on both sides. Yeah, what are the variables? Yeah, that means here and sorry. You can see 8x plus 4 and 3 minus 3. To identify variables, I am using another thing. So 8x plus 4 equal to 3x minus 3. You can see x on both sides. Yeah. What the next step? Have to transpose term with the variables on one side. If it is in RHS, if it is in LHS, no problem. Yes. Then here 8x, I am transposing this variable term on LHS. Then in 8x plus 4, 8x is the term containing variable. Same that not transposing, so it will be in LHS. Then what the next term? Plus 4. Plus the variable term in one side means number should be in another side. So this 4 plus 4, while transposing it will be minus 4. Then two terms already considered. Then what are the next? In RHS, 3x minus 3. 3x is a 3x is a term with a variable, so it had to transpose to LHS. Then here 3x means plus 3x. No. Yes, dear children, 3x means plus 3x. So it will be, while transposing, minus 3x. 3x we considered. Now what is remaining there? A minus 3. Minus 3 already in RHS. So same minus 3. 8x minus 3x equal to minus 3 minus 4. What is 8x minus 3x? 8x minus 3x is 5x equal to minus 3 minus 4. What is minus 3 minus 4? Minus 7. Okay, minus 3 minus 4 means minus 3 plus minus 4, minus 7. 5x equal to minus 7. We got 5x equal to minus 7. Now what is x? Yes, you know that here 5x means 5 into x. We have to get x. So transpose 5 to RHS. Into it will be, while transposing it will be negative. So x equal to minus 7 by 5. Okay, clear dear children? Yes. Then we can move to one more problem. That one. Yes, seventh problem. X equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. X equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. X equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Okay. X equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10 means, first here is also a bracket. You have to open the bracket first. X equal to 4 by 5 into x means 4 by 5x. 4 by 5 should multiply with all the number inside of the bracket because 4 by 5 is common. 4 by 5 into x plus next 4 by 5 into 10. Okay, if you can simplify, you can 4 by 5 x. Simplification means 4 by 5 into 10. What is 4 by 5 into 10? This 5 and this 10 cancelled as 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So 4 into 2 is 8. Now we can rewrite x equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 8. X equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 8. Here also same way you can see x on both sides of the equation, equal sign. One x here, one x here. So you have to transpose. Which one you will transpose? Yes, same here a term x only, not transposing that one. Same x, we wrote the in RHS a 4 by 5x, that is plus 4 by 5x, while transposing it will be minus 4 by 5x equal to 8 already in RHS. What is x minus 4 by 5 into x? How will you do that? What is the coefficient of this x? 1. What is 1 minus 4 by 5? How will you do? Yes, this 5 you multiply, so 5x minus 4 by this 5 equal to 8. Is it? What is 5x minus, 4x, in x already there. 5x minus 4x, 1x. So 1x by 5 equal to 8. 1x means x by 5 equal to 8. If x by 5 equal to 8, what is x? Yeah, here x by 5 equal to 8 is an equation with a variable on one side, x. Then you have to transpose 5 to RHS. 5 is division, x divided by, that is 5, while transposing it will become into. So x equal to 40 is the answer. Okay, x equal to 40. Yes, dear children, I think all of you understood this. Same type, so many problems are there that you can do yourself. Okay, one more you can do, that is 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Two x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 1. Is it? 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Okay, plus 3. Yes, here you have to add, first you have to identify the term with the variables. Which are them? 2x by 3 there is an x, and 7x by 15 there is an x. So transpose that in one side. Here also 2x by 3, here yes equal to a plus 1. 1 plus 1 means while transposing it will be minus 1. Okay. Then this 7x by 15 you have to transpose to LHR. So it will be minus 7x by 15. Okay. Then 3 already there. Now no need to transpose, same 3. So what will get? 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 equal to 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2. Okay, then we can rewrite 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 equal to 2. 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15 equal to 2. How will you do this one, dear children? Okay, this also is a subtraction of fraction. We've already studied. Yeah, to do these two should be like fraction, but here 3, but here 15. If it is same, if the denominator is same, we can do easily. How will you make that? How will you make that a same? For that one, here 15, here 3. You can easily, very easily, you can make 3 as 15. How? Multiply 3 into 5. Same time, here also you have to multiply with that 5. Because 3 into 5 equal to 15. You see, we have to make it 3 as 15. So you have to multiply that with 5. While multiplying the denominator, you should multiply the numerator. Yes. Then 2x into 5. What is 2x into 5? 10x by 3 into 5. 15 minus 7x by 15 equal to 2. Now we got 10x by 15 minus 7x by 15 equal to 2. Yes, there may same denominator. Then you can write 10x minus 7x by 15 equal to 2. What is 10x minus 7x? 3x. 3x by 15 equal to 2. 3x by 15 equal to 2. Then 3x. What is 3x? 3x equal to 15 by 15. That while transposing it will be into. So 3x equal 20 into 15. So 3x equal to what is 20 into 15? 2 into 15, 30. Then one more 0 for that 20, 300. 3x equal to 300. Then what is x? What is x? X equal to 300 by 3. That equal to 100. X we got, x equal to 100. Okay dear children, I am very sure that you all understood this type of problem. Now we can move to word problems. Okay. First question. The digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. The digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? Nothing more, dear children. Yes, a two-digit number. Yes, a two-digit number. For example, 23. Yes, while interchanging the digits, 23 will become 32. Okay, it is given that a two-digit number while interchanging and yes, after interchanging, if you add that two number, you have to get a sum 143. Okay, yes, 23 plus 32 is not 143. So you have to find out such a number. If you got one number, we can interchange. Then the sum will be 143. How will you do? Okay, dear children, first of all, yes, two-digit number. For example, 43. Two-digit number, what is the expansion of a two-digit number? 4 is in tens place, 3 is in ones place. So, we will write 4 into 10 plus 3. 43 we can write as 4 into 10 plus 3. Okay. Then here in the question it is given that a two-digit number and it's one digit. Among the two digits, one digit is 3 more than the other digits. Is it? Or the digits differ by 3. Differ by 3 means difference of the two digits 3. Difference. That means if one digit is 6 and the digit will be 3 because the difference is 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Or if it is 52, 5 minus 2, 3. Is it? 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. That means you have to find such a number. That is, the difference of the two digits will be 3. And also, after interchanging, its sum should be 143. Two conditions are there. Okay. Yes, dear children. Let x be the digit at a tens place. Or ones place? Yes, at ones place. Let x be the digit at a ones place. Okay, if x is in ones place, then what are the digits on tens place? Then the digits on tens place equal to, what are the digits on tens place? Yeah, its difference should be 3. So we can consider digits on tens place is 3 more than x. So x plus 3. Now x plus 3 and x are the two digits. X is 3 more than, no, x plus 3 is 3 more than x. Okay, if we got a number like this, x in ones place and x plus 3 in tens place, what is the number? So the number equal to, yes, x plus 3 in tens place, that means x plus 3 into 10 plus x is in ones place. Is it? Is tens place number, you know that 23, 2 into 10. That is 2 is in tens place means 2 into 10. So x plus 3 into 10 plus x. What is x plus 3 into 10? Yes, x into 10, 10x. Plus 3 into 10, 30 plus ex. Okay, then here 10x and ex you can add. While 10x plus x, it is 11x. So 11x plus 30 is the first number. Okay, then yeah, you got a number that is 11x plus 30. Now, what the next condition? You have to interchange the digits. Interchange the digits means here first we considered x is in ones place. While interchanging, x will be in tens place. Okay. Okay, dear children. While interchanging, yeah, x is in, after interchanging, the number should be x is in tens place, and yeah, in the first case x plus 3 is in tens place, while interchanging x plus 3 will be in ones place. Now x is in tens place, x plus 3 is in ones place. So x into 10, what is x into 10? 10x plus x plus 3. 10x plus x means 11x plus 3. Now we got two numbers. First number is 11x plus 30. Second number is 11x plus 3. Okay. Then what is the next condition given? Okay, dear children, what is the next condition given? While adding these two numbers, you have to get sum 143. Adding means, yes, 11x plus 30 plus 11x plus 3 equal to 143. That is, this is the first number, this is after interchanging. Yes, you have to get 143. Yes, how will you add this one? 11x plus 30 plus 11x plus 3 equal to 143. 11x, 11x, while adding 22x plus 30 plus 3, 33 equal to 143. Now we formed an equation, that is 22x plus 33 equal to 143. Then 22x equal to 143 minus 33. What is 143 minus 33? 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 110. 22x equal to 110. 22x equal to 110. So what is this? 110 by 22. How will you divide? Yeah, easy method. Both are divisible by 11. Is it? 2 11s 22. In 1, 11, 11, 0 times. 10 by 2. What is 10 by 2? Equal to 5. So we got x equal to 5. Can you stop here? No, we asked, the question is to find out the number, not digits. To find out the number, you know that if x equal to 5, that means first x is in ones place, then you have to find out the number in tens place. What is the number in tens place? X plus 3. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8. 8 is in tens place. Okay. 5 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place. Then which is that number? 5 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place. 85. Yes, the original number is 85. Then if 85 is the original number, while interchanging the digits, what will get? 58. 85 while interchanging, it will be 58. Yeah, we can check whether 85 plus 58 equal to 143. 5 plus 8, 13. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 5, 14. Okay, dear children. So, the original number is 85. Okay, dear children, to do this type of problem, first read the question very well and try to understand the given conditions. Then think very well and unknown variable, unknown, to represent the unknown number, you have to use the variable. Using that variable, you can move to the next step. Yes, you can do, dear children. Okay, we can move to the next question. Arjun is twice as old as Riya. Arjun is twice as old as Riya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Riya's age. Okay, Arjun is twice as old as Riya means Arjun's age is double. Present age of Arjun is double of the age of Riya. Okay, then 5 years ago. 5 years ago means, before 5 years, his age was 3 times Riya's age. Okay, his age was 3 times Riya's age. Okay. Yes. Arjun's age is twice of Sriya's age. So Arjun's age is given in terms of Sriya's age. Then Sriya's age equal to, let Sriya's age equal to x. Is Sriya's present age. Then what is Arjun's present age? Twice, that means 2x. Okay. Then this percentage of Riya is x, then percentage of Arjun is 2x. Then 5 years ago means their age. That means Riya's age will be 5 years ago, her age x minus 5. Then Arjun's age 5 years ago, 2x minus 5. 5 years ago, his means Arjun's age was 3 times of Sriya's age. So 5 years ago, his age 2x minus 5. That equal to what? 3 times of her age. 3 times means 3 times of Sriya's age. 5 years ago, it was 2x minus 5. That is same as 3 times. It was 3 times of her age. Her age is x minus 5 before 5 years. So we can write 3 into x minus 5 equal to 2x minus 5. Okay. 3 into x minus 5 equal to 2x minus 5. Then how will you multiply? 3 into x, 3x. The same minus symbol, 3 into 5. What is, 3 into 5 equal to 2x minus 5. 3x minus 3 into 5, 15 equal to 2x minus 5. Yeah, we got equation with the variables on both sides, 3x and 2x. So, 3x, then transpose. First, if you identify the x term, you can transpose. 3x minus 2x equal to, here, a minus 5, but we didn't consider this minus 15. Okay, minus 15 while transposing plus 15. Minus s plus. What is 3x minus 2x? Yes. 3x minus 2x equal to x equal to minus 5 plus 15, that is 10. So x equal to 10. What is x? Sriya's present age. Then their present age. Yes, present age. Sriya's present age is what? X equal to 10. Then what about Arjun's present age? It is double, that is 2x. This 2 into 10 equal to 20. Okay, 2 into 10 equal to 20. Now Sriya's age equal to 10. Arjun's age equal to 2x, that is 20. Double. Okay, dear children.